Hello, guys. Welcome to Workouts for Older Men Live. I am Skip LaCour. I am so glad you are here today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get motivated. You're a little bit older. You have a busy, productive life. You are being pushed in every direction. You have your family, your business, everyday stress. But you got to make the time. You got to find the extra energy to devote to your fitness. It's that time for whatever it is, the reasons why. Maybe it's the first time in your life where you're dedicating your willpower, focus, energy, and time to working out in the gym on a consistent basis, working out at home in your home gym, paying attention to what you eat, your physical appearance. The first time in your life, maybe you spent the first part of your life getting your business, your family under control, right? Maybe you used to do it 20 years ago. You used to follow my training journals, competed for contests. You were all into it like me, all into it. And you got away from it. You got your life under control. You got your business under control. But you can't put it off any longer. You got to get motivated. You got to put more of a priority on your health and fitness. You're a little bit older, you got a busy, productive life, and you're looking for the motivation to get back in the gym on a consistent basis. That's a challenge. If that sounds like you, that's a very common challenge when you're stretching yourself so much. You got so many responsibilities. And you can't just look at it like the really much younger, extremely passionate fitness experts. They're all in, and you appreciate that. I certainly know what that's like in the past, where it was everything in the world to me. I would do anything to get that extra 1% difference. It made me feel good. It made me feel in control. It was my identity. It was everything in the world to me. I did everything it took. It didn't matter if it was too hard. I mean, it was a matter of discipline. It was a matter of focus. Right? I was willing to do everything. I can't do that anymore. I'm 15 years removed, still want to look great. Here I'm at 56 years old, and I have to kind of scale back. What are the things that I know I must do, right? Because I only have so much willpower, focus, energy, and time. You only have so much. What are the things I must do? What things aren't quite as important? I went on a journey 15 years ago to find that out, and now here I am in the same position as you. A little bit older, busy, productive life. Right? It's tough enough to get to the gym. You don't want to do all these unnecessary things. You can't look at the world. You have too many responsibilities, unlike those younger fitness experts. I want to help you find the strategies for you to be effective and efficient. That's not about being lazy, about being effective and efficient, because you got to get yourself motivated to work out in the gym. I want to talk about that during this Workout for Older Men Live. I also have an offer for you. I have a gift for you when you go to skiplacour.com/gift. I have my MANformation personal development course. I want to give it to you absolutely free. Fill out that questionnaire, play all out, because, by this age, that it's more than about the muscles or losing that body fat. It's about organizing your entire life where everything fits in. And I help men. I've been helping men for years, not just with their physical appearance, but also getting their entire life all organized, where everything makes sense, it all flows. Everything works in the same direction. They're not all disconnected parts. And this MANformation personal development course that I want to give to you absolutely free when you go to skiplacour.com/gift, it'll help you put everything together so you're totally aligned. All that willpower, focus, energy, and time, it will be moving elegantly all in the same direction. Right? You can't have disconnected parts. Maybe you're looking all over YouTube and just your mind is spinning. How do you put it all together? I want to give you my MANformation course. So I want you to go to skiplacour.com/gift. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. So I'm going to talk about how to get motivated when you're a little bit older and you got a busy, productive life. And I want to even take this even further. And I want to give you my MANformation course, Personal Development for Men, the Mindset Actions, the powerful alpha male leader, absolutely free. Right? When you come on to this broadcast, make sure you say hello before I sign off for today. I want to acknowledge you for being here. There's all of this information, all these fitness experts. You're taking the time to watch Workouts for Older Men Live with me, our daily connection. I want to acknowledge you for being here. And if you're watching the replay version, the vast majority of men do. I want you to say hello too. I want to acknowledge you for being here and post your comments, your questions, and suggestions. Tell me what you're finding so attractive about these live broadcasts. Tell me why you keep on coming back. I want to do more of that for you. Right? So I'm going to do one more set, and I'm going to talk about how to get motivated when you're a little bit older and you have a busy, productive life. All right, hello, guys. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, at Skip LaCour, or this Facebook page, at Skip LaCour page, I'm so glad you're here. My name is Skip LaCour. I'm a coach, I'm a speaker, I'm an author. I'm a former 6-time national champion drug-free bodybuilder and the creator of the MANformation personal development program for men. I specialize in helping guys who are just like me. You have this passion for life. You want to become the best you can be both inside and outside of the gym. You have a busy life. You have a productive life with your family, with your business, with your legacy, your mission. And fitness is very, very important to you. Maybe for the first time, maybe you're coming back to it. Right? You got a busy, productive life. You got to fit it all in. I specialize in helping men understand the 80-20 rule. Figure out of the 100 things to do, which 20 are going to make the biggest impact. And we all have a different perception of what that is. Help them go through all of the information, through all the YouTube channels, all social media, and help them tailor it to what's going to work for them now that we're a little bit older and we're in the same situation. I get a lot of men, they ask me, how can I get motivated? How can I get myself to do the things that I know I need to do? And I just tell you, this is right in my wheelhouse, so to speak, because in addition to what I did as a bodybuilder and a writer for the Muscle magazines, if you've been following me for years, behind the scenes, I was working on personal development, not just in my own life, but going to seminars, investing in coaches. And, Tony Robbins had me run on one of his infomercials for 3 years all over the world. You can Google that little clip if you put Tony Robbins, Skip LaCour. After I finished competing, I went on the road all over the country, working with regular people to take all areas of their life to the next level. Behind the scenes, personal development has been my obsession, my passion. I think you can see that even if I'm talking about sets or reps or diet. I infuse a personal development motivation, mindset into everything I teach. All right? So what I do as a coach, I call myself a success, fulfillment, and accountability coach. I talk to men just like you one-on-one every single week in a very structured hour of focus as I help them identify what's important to them, their goals. I make sure they stay on track with the accountability every single week. We do it at the same time on the same day every week, an hour recorded call. I have them fill out a form to get them focused before each session. And then after we have our session, I have them sleep on it, let it marinate, as I call it. And there's another form to make sure they pull everything out. And it's that intensity week after week after week that creates real change, and not just with their physical body. Right? So I help out a lot of men just like you. You may have noticed how and I'll do that again today, is I offer you to fill out questionnaires, tell me what your situation is, and I make phone calls, free, random phone calls, 10, 15 minutes, half hour, even longer, depending on how our conversation goes, because I learn more about how I can help you. And that's the perspective I come from when you want to ask a very common question. How can you get motivated? Or if you're motivated, right, how to take it to higher and higher and higher levels. Because, you can say, I'm motivated to go to the gym. If you've noticed in life and in the gym, there's always a higher level. There is always more to shoot for. All right, I'm looking at my brother Masashi. He says, I'm already motivated. Well, me doing this and being your coach and your friend, I'm looking at your body fat levels. I'm looking at development, things that I see of 30 years in doing this. I'm telling you this, to say that I'm already motivated, you're selling yourself short. There is always a higher and higher level. I'm here 30 years, and there's always a higher and higher level to get motivated. All right? So it's not an on or off switch when it comes to motivation. There's always higher levels. There's always more you can get. And I mean that in a fun way, an exciting way, a game way. Not like, oh, I'm never satisfied. No, it's a game that's always in play. All right? When it comes to it, it's so important that you get connected to your why. So let me tell you, like I talked to so many men. I probably talked to 200 or more just in the last couple months. Older men, busy, productive life, same challenges, same age, and same concerns, same misconceptions of how it works. I'll tell you this, probably at this stage, why health is important to you, and you got to figure these things out. It's all in your imagination. It's what you believe, right? It's about their health. They're looking that they've got more years behind them than they do ahead of you, and now is the time they got to take care of their health. They're thinking about their family, being around for their kids, being functional with their kids. Maybe a lot of times they see their parents' health failing. They know how much genetics plays a part, and they're thinking, well, what are my genetics like? How am I going to be at that age? Genetics are something you can't control, whether it's, how your muscles are shaped or how fast you build muscle. But what you could do is take control of everything you can take control of, right? And your genetics for health, that may be whatever it is. I talk to men, their father may have died at 55, all right? And they're scared, but they put it off. Let me just tell you, pain can serve you. To make sure you dot every I, cross every I, get to the gym, make you watch what you eat. Right? It's this delicate balance between pain or pleasure that we make up in our own mind, and everybody's story is different. I say lean into that for health, right? If that can't get you motivated, the pain won't last forever, but it'll put you in this sense of angst that you must follow through until you get into the habits. You dot every I, cross every T. Don't be afraid to talk about the painful reasons if you don't follow through. If I look back on my life, why I'm even here with you today, why I quit my job back in the day to go for my dreams, it wasn't because, it'd be so great in 2018 to do live videos from a gym in a beautiful gym with ambitious men all around the world. Sure, I thought about the positive things, that imagery, that imagination. But I'll tell you what, I said to myself, if I don't change now, if I don't take action now, if I don't have the courage, how is that going to feel later? Right? So think of all the reasons why you want to be fit, you want to be lean, you want to have big guns, right? You want to look great at your age, you want to look younger for your age, all those positive things. But don't be afraid to lean in your personal story if you don't change now, right? We all have a unique story. We all have a unique story. More energy, more confidence, a better presentation at work. If you have your own business, you are the billboard for your business. You'll earn more money. You'll have more respect. You'll be more influential and persuasive. People respect discipline of a man your age who's lean, who's in shape. They admire that. He must carry that discipline to his business, and I want to do business with him. All right? Who better than an example of someone with energy? Of a man much younger. And to earn that, you have to watch what you eat. You have to go to the gym, right? Whatever it is you provide for your family, you all your gifts and your talents that you have sacrificed years for your business, you want to take it to the next level, provide more value, spread your influence, all right? And if you want to attach that to fitness, that's up to you to do that imagination, all right? So pain, pleasure, you got to be around for your kids. You can't waste your time. Right, anymore, right? You can't take your health for granted. You want to provide for your family at a higher level, whatever it is for you, you need to figure that out based on yours, both pain and pleasure. But here's one thing that I want to do to help you. I've created this course. It's called The Mindset and Actions of a Powerful Alpha Male Leader. It's a personal development course that is specifically designed for men like you and me who want more in life, not just our physical body, how it all ties in. I want to give it to you for free. I want you to go to skiplacour.com/gift. I sold thousands of these around the world to men just like you for years. All right? And I have so many men coming to me, oh my God, this is like a bunch of magic tricks. It's instant confidence. It's tapping into things you already know, but it's all lined out for you. Just go to skiplacour.com/gift, this MANformation course, personal. If you like my style of delivery, if I've connected with you, we're the same age, you're connecting maybe a little bit differently than those younger fitness experts coming from their very passionate, very extreme perspective, and how I am talking about the sets and reps and diet. All right, then you're going to love the MANformation course. I want to give it to you. Play all out. Fill out that questionnaire. And I'll tell you this. When I see that you take the time to fill that out, right, really go for it, I may reach out to you. So if you get a call from the 925 area code, that's going to be me. Because I love a man like you who plays all out and goes for it. All right? So that's what I want to do for you. That'll help it all tie in. When you want to get motivated, you're a little bit older with a busy, productive life. It all ties in. It's not just about finding the right training strategy or eating strategy. You got to figure out this unique puzzle, this unique combination, this code that you need to crack that's specific to you. And I want to help you do that as your coach and your friend. All right, let's see who's watching here. Ken, good to have you here. Masashi is here. TJ, thank you so much, TJ. Michael, good to have you here, sir. Gagan, hello. All right, Stephen, Emil, Kevin, thank you so much, Kevin. Mark is here. Suresh is here. Mon, Dwayne, good to have you here, sir. Abdel, hello. Dwayne, bonjour, Abdel. What's the best pre-workout? Let's see, Mustafa, hello, hello, hello. Pete, good morning. Crushbach, hello. Maria, good to have you here. Noor, hello. Ramazan, hello. Noor, Crushbrink, Abdul, good to have you guys here. Jeremy, hello. Brendan, hello. Good to have you here. Angel, Hassan, Brandon. All right, guys. All right, so that's going to do it for this Workouts for Older Mind Live. Go to skiplacour.com/gift. I want to give you some ideas, more things to think about when you want to get motivated. You want to get motivated to put health and fitness as a top priority for the reasons that are important to you. All right, we're all different. Thank you so much for being here for Workouts for Older Men Live. Have a great day. Have an outstanding day. Have an awesome day. Think big and think bigger than getting bigger.